No, Casper.
Why? Why, Mama?
Okay. Okay.
Because you have lots of work to do.
Yeah, I have work to do, right? Yeah.
So, and to make a take us.
Yes, and I cannot be there. Sorry. I have.
The fear stuff was fine.
Okay, so I have two interfaces. Okay, just 1 second. Okay. 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 Okay, ready, step. Okay, I'm here right now. I'm just removing the old files. Okay, just a second. Okay. 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 And then mhm. 1 second, okay? I'm just removing the old files. Okay.
Mama, are you not coming to the first affair because you don't like me?
No, I love you so much, but it's
Then come to me to the first
on the
affair.
26th, right? Yeah.
Come with me.
Okay, you want me to go?
Yes, in the car park in Kennedy School.
Okay.
You can buy cotton candy, popcorn, and 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 ice cream.
Okay,
And
but you.
I want to buy.
Okay, can you? Okay, can you please?
Okay, so can you please come with me?
Okay, can you please behave? Yeah.
Leave with your parents.
Okay, can you please behave?
Leave without your parents.
Okay.
Who to take us?
Okay. You know, I've deleted all the unrelated files, so we can take a fresh capture on the calls. Okay.
Okay.
So wait just a second. I just want to make sure we are on the good page. Yeah. So what is the issue right now? Because I replied the email. I think we are going to send all the parameters that the
Okay.
JeraSoft might be expecting. Have you been doing the test, or you just want to do right now?
I just did only one test call, but was waiting also for you for your confirmation so I can restart making tests.
Okay, okay, okay. Doesn't matter, I'm going to start the trace and then you can do the test call as well. Just 1 second. And because I've already fixed the script, as you can see
Mhm.
in my email, so it should be working, yeah. And it's just the time that we're going to test it,
Okay,
yeah.
no problem.
Okay, so I'm not worried about that at all. So it should be okay to go with it. So because the link you sent me from JeraSoft is really important, and I think it's very helpful as well. So I already put everything that is expected from JeraSoft. So even though it will be maybe an error at the end, but it will be fine and we can adjust, right? So which is fine. So that's why yeah, uh I'm doing this right now. Just 1 second. TCP dump. I'm going to the TCP dump on the web interface. So just 1 second. 0, okay, minus W radius capture. Okay, I think we are all in a good position right now. Okay, you feel free to make the test score right now. I think we can capture everything. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You want me to test now? Can I start?
Yes, you just make a call from Vital PBX and we will see how it goes. Yeah.
Okay. Meanwhile, I share my screen so you can see what I'm doing.
Sure, no problem.
Are you? Can you see my screen?
Just a second. I'm just getting to that screen right now. Okay. Yes, I can see your screen. Okay,
Oh,
it's a November 13 and it's a time like what is the time? Like yeah, 11 something. Okay. Yes.
yeah. It
Patrice.
says you have dialed the wrong number.
Okay, okay. I'm going to trace that one right now. Okay.
Okay. I have done two tests. If you can check.
Mm-hmm. Right. Okay. It's just I think the score is being sent at 13:18 your time.
Yeah, it's 13. Yeah, it's 13. 11, 13.
Yeah, 11:13:18 your time. Okay. So I'm going to
Yes.
get the capture right now.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Wait just a second. Okay. 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 Just 1 second. To get the sorry. Okay. Mm. Wait, just need some time to get this straight. Okay. Mhm. Mhm. Mm. Okay, so let's do this. Open. Okay. Don't know why I can get the connection to your servers yet. Okay, I'm trying to do that again. Open new URL. No, I think open. And file, okay. And joy. It's not there, I think. Okay. No, okay. I need to be more. Okay. Okay. And okay. So I maybe having to remove this. Okay. Radius capture. I the two that bigger. Okay. And then we have the remaining one, which is the 10:15. My time. Okay. So just 1 second. Okay. Okay. And file saver. Okay, no, no, no. Okay, no, not the good one. Okay. Oh, readability. Okay, so we're gonna get from here. Okay, 1 second. Eh, come I cannot do this. Alt. So this. So this radius capture. Okay, and then we're going to download this to the repository. Okay, erase done. Okay, so I'm gonna look at that capture. 1 second. Okay, okay. Wait. Getting there. Okay. So what is that? This one. Oh, I don't have my capture anymore. Just 1 second. Okay. 방문 정군. Okay. 하조이. Okay. And don't find that. Okay. So wait 1 second. This one. This one. Okay. Radius capture. Into something like download. Hajoy. Yes, I'm just getting the capture. Just 1 second. Okay. So I have it. Now, Hajoy. Main. Okay. Radius capture. Okay. Okay. Wait. Edit. Something like P cap. Okay. Yes. Getting there. Okay. And, okay. Okay. Accept request. Accepts request. Okay. Okay. All right. So let me share my screen. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Takes so much time just to share this one. Okay. This one. You see my screen? Yeah. See my screen?
Yeah, I can
Yeah.
see it. Yes.
Okay. Yes, this is the capture on the line. Okay. Where the SPC is sending an access request package, and with all the information here. You can see this username, there's a calling station ID, password, and the what is this? Calling station information, vendor ID, Cisco system. Okay, we send everything, I believe, here. Okay, so what is the response? Accepts a request. They say accept that accept. I think this may be just a heartbeat. Okay, and okay, accepts request. Accept. Think you just reply with the accept. Yeah. Okay. Let's say the servers or something else. I think access request. Something that you're going to send to us. This is the AVPs that you're going to send to us, right? I think it would be fine because we already sending these parameters. Okay, so what is the response? It says accepts. Okay, so we just say accept, nothing else. Okay. Okay, so for
Why
request.
vendor ID Cisco systems?
Yeah. Yeah. Please, could you please tell me it again?
Yeah, I was wondering why we are seeing vendor Cisco systems, vendor ID, Cisco systems. While, for example, in our case, vendor should be called me soft.
Okay, these are the AVPs that we are sending. The AVPs we are sending is defined in the script. Yes. And we have the H323 return code, credit amount, and let's see,
We
total currency. And this one, okay. Okay, but I wonder the status server is responding with something. Okay. Accept SS request, SS accept. Okay. So it's actually accepting the request, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it's accepting the request, but it's accepting the request, but it doesn't specify the vendor, the destination vendor. In the mail that we received from JeraSoft, they told us that in the response they are also specifying the a IP address of the vendor, of the selected vendor. Yeah, what I'm
Right, but
seeing
I
here
don't see it yet in this response. So this is the message we're sending to JeraSoft, right?
is
So this is the message we're sending, and then this is the one that we are receiving. So
mm,
I don't really see the information which is there. Maybe that would be a problem. It's just that, okay, let me just check. So we are sending an access request to the remote site, and with the AVP, like for example, username, um, calling station ID, code.
mhm,
What is this? Uh, uh, Code the station with a password, and then also they code the station, right? And then will be the telco bridge specific parameter, this one, and then we end the system. Okay, so and then the response from the remote side will be this one. uh I don't really think there's a conclusive action here. Okay, it just says that the AVP is being processed from the reply here, right? Okay, and then the accept the original heartbeat message. You just go through, yeah. But this does not really specify for this call here. Status server. I mean, no, this one, access request with all the AVP already specified. See, we have put everything we can here. So, next step is to see what could be the issue. Do we need something, or it will be enough that we send these parameters, because we already sent everything, you see, like the username, calling station ID, password, and calling station. This one. What else? Yeah, telco bridge stuff. Okay, this is okay, I think. Mm-hmm. And this one, H223, and this one. Okay. I don't know what is missing, because if I just tell you this one, okay? I just switch my screen. This one. 1 second. Okay. All right, wait. Just this one. What is this? What is my Teams? Okay, just stop sharing. I'm just going to share another screen. Okay, which is this. Okay, I think maybe we can make another call and I can capture on the line. What do you think?
okay. Let me send one
Yeah.
more.
Yes. Just wait for me, okay? I'm just going to set up
Okay.
the traces. Okay. So okay, just wait for me. Because I've already fixed the script according to the JeraSoft documentation. I did that already. So I just want to know what could be missing here. Okay, so you can send a call right now. I have already
Okay.
enabled the trace. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Then we're gonna troubleshoot this one.
I have done already.
Okay. Already done that, right? So I have
Yes.
started to trace already. So let's see that. Wait just 1 second. Okay. Okay, so this is core trace, I believe, right there. Okay. Wait, just this one. Okay, this one is Hong Kong lab. Just this one of the digital one is three. Okay, this one trace. Mhm. Okay, so you made a test call already. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Just I'm just getting to the logs. Okay. One second. I think your test score is like 11 30 what now 10:31. Okay. Okay. It's like 10:31. This one now is the okay. Which is this? Okay. With this capture 2. Okay. 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 So 1 second, we're going to look at the capture. I think it's this one. Okay. So this one, the window to the capture here. Okay, let's see the code that we just made. This one. Okay. So it is a access the status server, and then we're gonna accept this one. Okay. Accept access request. Okay, so this is the key value pairs that we have been providing. You see, yeah, from the SBC point of view, yeah, and then there is a response saying IVP accept. Okay, okay. This is the difficult message at the access. Okay, wait a second. Okay. Mm. Okay, so this is accept requests, and these are the uh handshake. Okay, until the end, I think it's the same. Okay, so accept this one, accept the request. Thing is that this is the one I think is the most relevant throughout
Mhm.
the communication. So we send out the AVPs, access request message, and we send out all the AVPs, including the username, the calling station ID, password, call the station, uh, anything you could think of here. Yeah. Okay. So I think this is the access request that we have been sending, and but by rights we were just getting a let me check that the access request, this one, and by right we just getting the access accept with this information, uh, and I think the call. This is the one. Accept this information. Wait. Mm. This one, I think, is the access request. So we already provided everything here. You can see the Vital PBX, calling station ID, password, calling station ID, telco bridges uh, specific parameters. Okay.
So ProSBC doesn't specify doesn't tell JeraSoft which IP address called which
The
vendor should be
it,
selected.
the IP address, right? Okay, I'm just finding that. Okay, we send the username, calling station ID, calling the user password, calling station ID, specific this one 20 something. Uh, what is it? Calling what is that? Okay. I think it's the zip. Okay. I think we send it here. I will just show you. Um, routing script. So the point right now is the IP address, right? The of the message.
Because at JeraSoft and when we create client accounts, we have the client ID or client name, and we
Yeah.
have the IP address.
Okay.
Yeah, we have the IP address of Vital PBX, for example. So when ProSBC sends the information to JeraSoft for verification, I think JeraSoft will need to know the IP address, whether it's linked to the client and so on.
Oh, okay. So let's look at the script here. I think those insert IP should be there. This one, telco B remote media IP. So this should be being sent. I'm going to
Media
check this.
IP.
Yes.
Media.
Telco B MIDI IP. I believe that should be sent. Let's go. Let me go back to the capture. Okay, just going to cross check both. Okay. Wait a second. This one. Mm, and the Wireshark capture. Okay. Okay, on the side. Okay, wait a second. Okay, this is the capture. And this is the config on the right. Okay, so callings, this is the access request, Redis protocol. Okay, username, calling station ID, so you see there. Yeah, okay. And then is the password. Okay, call station ID. Okay, is there also what is this one? This is the telco bridges, unknown parameter. Okay, unknown parameter. Oh, okay, this one. Telco B remote media IP. Okay, and then it would be this one, which is what is this? Does not say. Okay, and then the one down here. Okay, it does not say also. H323 core type is SEEP. Okay, we have that. H323 conference ID, which is SEEP. I think is already highlighted, and we hard coded that one. I think actually 223 core type is SEEP, I think, which is fine. Um, okay, what else here? I don't see anything. Yeah, then unknown attribute. This one may be unknown attribute. Don't find the attribute also in the script. Does not seem to be there. Yeah, okay, just try to find it. Unknown attribute. This was unknown attribute. Uh, unknown attribute 3626. Okay, yeah, okay. 3626. Just 1 second, okay. Um, I don't find that. Okay. Just say that it's a known attribute. This one, Google bridges, known attribute. Just JeraSoft, unknown attribute. 1, 2, that's this one. Okay. 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 Listen. Access request, and then you say access accept thing is passing. Yeah, this one. Okay. Wait, oh my god, I lost it. Wait. I'm sorry. Oh, Gentle, you meaning that I actually the radio server is responding something, but we are not proceeding the call. Isn't it the case right now?
Sorry?
You meaning that the JeraSoft is actually proceeding with a reply, but we are not proceeding the calls, right? Is it what is being observed right now?
Yes. Do you see the two last lines on your screen, on your screen?
Is it my screen here? This one, right?
Yeah, yeah, on bottom of the page.
Okay.
VSE Cisco Control E4.
Oh yeah, okay. I see access request here
Yeah,
with
they sent the IP address of the vendor.
okay.
Did you
Okay,
see it?
do they have the IP address of the vendor or not?
I
Let
saw
me
it. Last line.
last line is this one. Yeah,
Yes.
it says SIP only. Okay.
Uh, oh,
Uh it say the IP address it would be important, right? Yeah?
I saw it in the preview screen you were showing.
I don't find it now. Because these are all the AVPs we have been sending. This is the username.
This is what you are
Calling.
sending, right?
Yes, this is what we are sending.
No, I want
Uh,
to see. I want to see the response from them. Access, accept.
okay. The response is here. This one. This is just
Yeah,
one. This is the following.
yeah.
This one.
Now
I
see
but
the last line, the long
uh,
line. You will see there is an IP address ending with 67.
this one, right? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
This is called
The-
Cisco Control Info. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that IP address is basically the IP address of CallMeSoft, the vendor.
Is it? Okay, let me check.
Uh,
Uh, oh, you mean this is the IP that's being used for routing, right?
yeah, that IP address basically is the IP address of the selected vendor. It's it's
Okay.
it's it's actually
Okay.
the IP address of CallMeSoft selected as
Okay.
vendor.
Is it? I'm going to verify. This is a 201.67. Okay. I'm
Yeah.
just going to verify. Okay, wait. Um, okay. Okay, how come it comes from like how come it comes in like that? Is so cryptic. Okay, wait a second. Mm. Mm. Just a second, okay? I'm just going to find that. Mm. Yep. No. This is not a good. Oh no. Okay, this is not a good config. Wait, I'm not looking at the good thing. Okay, just one second. Okay. Mhm. I'm getting there. All right. The main is the JeraSoft IP here. Now, okay. Okay. See what you mean. Let's see. Let me see. Okay. I change my the script. Change my screen. Okay. Just wait 1 second. Okay. So let's do a stop sharing and then we could do a sharing again. Okay, which is the work portal, this one. Okay, you see my screen, right? Okay, so Gentle, you're saying that the ComiSoft IP, this is 201.67, is actually part of the capture, right?
Yes.
Going to locate it. Okay, access request. Yeah, okay. I think maybe the last item that you're uh, referring to, this one. I don't see it as a problem. Okay. Uh, okay, maybe I need some help to locate that. Wait just a second. Okay. Um, I can change my screen. Stop sharing. Okay. Now share another screen, which is this one. Share. Okay. This one, I think. Okay, you see my screen? Okay, so this is the packet capture from the the SBC and also the your commis no, the Vital PPX connection, I believe. Okay, so there's an access request here, and then you see there is different parameters being filled in: calling station ID, user password, uh, calling station ID, and the other info. You see that, right?
Yeah.
So what that is the problem right now? I'm trying to understand. Uh, access, accept. Okay, and then this is the status message. Uh, I don't see anything else here except request. Do you have an idea what is missing here? Uh,
Uh, in the request,
yeah,
I don't know exactly. I don't have any idea if something is missing or not.
right.
Yeah, maybe maybe it's okay. But what I wanted to verify with you is exactly what we just was verifying about the IP address of the vendor in the access accept in the response from JeraSoft.
Yes. This is the access accept from JeraSoft. This is the message. But I don't see anything much. This is just basically we. No, let me see. This is the response from JeraSoft, right? Okay, let
Yeah,
me just check this. I don't see anything. I don't see much. It's just say the VSA return code. Then is the credit amount time, uh, currency, and this one is the credit time, and this one is the control info. So I don't know what that does not
the
like
IP
it.
address,
Uh, the
the IP address there,
okay.
the response.
Okay. Is it the request? I think the request from our system, right? The IP address. I want. Yeah, I'm just going to cross-check this. So you mean do we actually send the IP address to the remote, right? Yeah. Okay.
The remote is sending us is specifying the IP address of the vendor to whom we should send the code.
Mm.
ProSBC should send the call because
Okay.
when you
So it's the routing. You mean the routing decision, right? Yeah.
yeah, exactly.
Okay. So I'm just looking into it right now. So okay, this is the password uh we're sending, and then mine is the incoming parameters. Okay, calling station ID. I think we have that, right? Yes, calling station ID. Okay, calling station ID here. Okay, then the next one. Okay, code that station ID. This one also. Okay, is there. And then H32T conference ID. Uh, Let me check. Hmm, H2323. Hmm, I don't see this one, right? Hmm, I don't see this one. Okay, let's keep this for now. Core type H232 core type is SIP. Okay, this is easy. Okay, and username, username, hmm, username. You don't see username also, right? Username I don't find. Do you find username? Oh, it's only user password. Name. Uh, I don't see username. Okay, it's only user password here. User password, this one, right?
Is
Yeah.
user password mandatory here?
I don't know because it's defined it, but yeah, it's already there. But I don't know if the user IP would be mandatory because in the script is there, yeah. But
Mm.
I don't know if it's mandatory. So is this user password? User password is here. Okay, I just continue. And then the other one is called telco B with remote media IP. Um, telco B
Because
remote media.
we also we also have to know that we will have some cases where we have a client named Vital PBX, but who has multiple servers, so multiple IPs. So the same
Right.
on JeraSoft, there is only one billing account for him, Vital
Mm-hmm.
PBX, but calls
Mm-hmm.
can be authenticated from one or many IP address. So maybe it
Okay.
will be good also to specify the originated IP address of the clients in
Okay,
the
I see, I see. Okay, okay. So it's a calling station ID code is, okay. But I think everything is there.
is
I
there.
don't know
Okay,
what
yeah,
is
yeah. I
missing.
think
Is a sleep as well? I'm running out of idea. So this is fine. I think. Yeah. Okay. So what is not happy about the JeraSoft?
I
Okay,
think
so
everything is there. I
uh,
think everything is there from your side, but the issue here is that after the response from JeraSoft, ProSBC is failing to route the call to the vendor.
mm, mm-hmm. Okay, so there's the access request, and there is the access
Yes.
accept here, this one, right? So this one, the ID, okay. So this
So in
one.
the access accept, they send multiple informations, but they send also the IP address, which they think is the one that is for the vendor, to whom the call should be put.
This one, right?
Yeah, that's
Gentle, is it this one, right? The
60.
call, the call control info, this one that 198.224 dot 207 01 dot
Yes,
67 is
yeah,
the destination that they want the call to be sent to.
exactly.
I- okay, okay. I okay. Is it the information that they want us to send? I'll just compare the IP address, okay? Just one second.
Yeah,
Um,
yes.
yes, this one. Okay. The Kumisoft, right? The Kumisoft, okay. 61, the 67. Yeah, I see that. Okay. Okay.
Oh,
Really? Okay, I see. So, Gentle, you mean that this one is specifying the routing information, right? This one.
yeah, that's what he said.
Okay, so means that I should extract this info and I should send a call to Comisoft, right?
Exactly,
This one,
exactly.
because the IP
Uh,
address is the same, right? Yeah, as you can configure here on the system, which is
yeah.
not 198.224.201.67, right?
Mm.
Oh, okay,
And
okay,
and
I
you
see
have
what you mean.
and you have the cold parts and the cold parts and the cooling parts.
Where is it? I want to just this one, right? The 47, this one?
Yeah, yeah. That one is the cooling. The first one is the cooling, and the second one is the cold.
This is the code. The X07 is the code, and the 047 is the calling.
Cooling, yes.
Okay, I see. I maybe okay. Maybe I will need to adjust the script because of this. If you confirm that this is the way that the JeraSoft will be sending the routing information, because
Mm.
our default script does not do this the way. I think the way is a bit different. First of all, I'm
Mhm.
going to come yeah to are you going with me to the school to buy yeah okay things? Yes, I'll tell you the area. Okay, okay. The so, sign said if you see a barrier, you cannot go through it. Okay, okay, okay. So, Gentle, maybe I will try to add a new route. Based on this, I think I need to adjust the script for this one. Yeah, and then I
Okay.
will see if I can when there's a request the response from JeraSoft, I will read this line and then I can decompose the line and then I can create a new route accordingly.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I
Mm.
need to adjust because it's I think it's a bit difficult, or I mean a bit different from what the original JavaScript software script would be doing. I think that's why it's not working like out of the box.
Okay. So, as you were working with JeraSoft for many years on many projects, do you think the behavior is different from the previous project?
Yes. Yes, yes, I would be surprised because as you see here, I will show you something. Okay.
Mm.
And okay. Wait a second. I will show you something here. Routing script. I don't know why it would be like that. Okay. Uh, mirror. Okay. You see my screen? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in the simple routing dot I'll be here. So for the I have already put all the scripts related to JeraSoft here. So, for
Uh,
example, like few authorization attributes, I think we already did that, which is
uh,
good because we already sent this message, access request with all the information including colon station ID, user
mm,
password, um, calling station call the station ID and the other info. I think we already sent this, which is good. Okay, so the only point right now is the accept. So means that when the message coming from JeraSoft and the accept uh it has um different parameters. For example, I don't see the H3 credit time, which is the maximum allowed call for this call. I don't see that. So I think if it is not available, we can skip, which is fine. And the other one would be the control info. Control info, I think, would be the important one because, as you mentioned, this one, let me just open the control info, right?
mhm.
The reply from the JeraSoft. I mean, okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
the
control.
last one.
Con,
See?
yeah, it's system
Yes.
control info. Yeah.
Yes, the control info, right? So yeah, the control info seems to be important here. This one. There's one here. Yeah. And we have to parse it. We have to parse the Cisco control info parameter, and we have to break down the control info into like the IP address, the
Mm,
coded, and the calling number accordingly,
yeah.
right? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
I think that's the point that I have to adjust according to the capture that you sent. And then I think this script, this here is doing the route list. We will be here to find which one is actually matching the control info IP because you
Okay.
have already I have already input here. I'll just show you something here. There's the net columns too. Okay. 1 second is moving there. Mm? Net columns. Okay. See. Do you see here? So you see the CommiSoft, the
Yeah.
IP to IP to net, right? This one
Yeah.
already defined, which is the same as the IP that you are mentioning in the script, which is
Mhm.
this one. Yeah, I think I have to adapt this script or to change the script so that on the radio accept scenario, so it will read the this one, the IP to net field, and then it's gonna read match with the control information that is being sent from the JeraSoft. And then as a result, here we set our new route, and I will push that in the new routing table. And
Okay.
then the call will be sent from Vital PBX to Kimisoft in this case. I think I need to study on this part. And I will study what is missing in the maybe, let's say, for example, the breakdown of these variable. How can we access those info? And I will have to insert to here so that it can create a new route. Yeah, this is something I have to do.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
are you?
So,
Yeah. Go ahead.
yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. I will study and I will be working on this one because it's very clear because I have the packet capture right on the left hand
Uh-huh.
side. I have
Okay.
this, and I will try to yeah, work on the right hand side cities to see how this can be accommodated. So once I read the information from the the Cisco control info here this line, then I
Hmm.
need to insert a new route here. So I think that's something that has to be done.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'll wait for your feedback then. And I
Okay.
think I was thinking about planning a cross meeting whenever you have some more questions or clarification, because JeraSoft platform is being updated, upgraded. Maybe the script also can can be changed, can be updated, and so on. And maybe whenever we have some questions and we want to fix things quickly, I discussed it with people from JeraSoft if it's possible to organize a cross meeting between the Telco Bridge team, JeraSoft team, and me, so
Mm-hmm.
we can finalize all at same time.
Okay.
Uh,
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. I think right now I will focus on the script to
mhm.
see if they the Cisco control info that routing information being passed to us. I need to split it and to add it to the routing table. I think there's something I
Okay.
have to figure out. Then once that is done, I think it would be okay. Because in that case, we already sent an access request to the
Mhm.
JeraSoft team, and then they actually respond with the access accept, right? So we already see that on the line. Is the
Yes.
next step is just that, oh, are we going to process the call or not, right? So this is
Yeah.
something
After
on my hand, I think. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
and after processing the call, we will be sure to send the CDR to JeraSoft for
Right, right. That's for
for
sure.
billing.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So,
Okay.
yes, yeah, I'm going to test this. Yeah, I may need some help from you to make a test call, the real one. I think that
Always
would
there. I'm
help.
always there.
Yes, yes, yes. Then I can, I can, yeah, try to see, are we able to add the route actually and practice to the routing table to send the call to JeraSoft, Kimisoft, sorry, Kimisoft. That would be something I am looking forward to. Yes.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah. I need to do some, the yeah, I need to do some debugging on this. Yes.
Okay.
But
So I'll
will
be
you be
I'll be
available?
waiting
Be you available to send calls with me, like in the next, I don't know, 30 minutes to an hour?
anytime. I'm there.
Okay. Yes.
Anytime.
Okay. And then I think I can, let me just try to debug this. Okay, with you. Yes.
Mhm.
Okay. Wait a second. Actually I can do this right now. Just okay. This some. I think it's this some. Okay. 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 So is it possible you send a call right now? I've unable to trace. So let's see. Yeah, I just want to see the traces from the call. You can send a call right now.
Just one
Yes.
second.
Yes. 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 Sure.
Mm, I've done it.
Okay. You done? Okay.
Yeah.
Mm. Oh, okay. Let me check. Okay. So it's like and define the variable, which is fine. Let me just check, okay. Simple routing. Okay. Okay. What is this? A simple routing. Okay. Okay. Um, um, init routing, simple routing with zero routes. Okay. CM below configuration. Okay. Okay. What is this? Here. Okay. Undefined algorithm. Okay, fine. Okay. Not even accept. Okay. Okay. So okay, now these are the incoming parameters. I don't see them. Access off. Okay. Inspect off. Yeah. I'm trying to look for the logs though, so just wait for me, okay? Just 1 second. These are the incoming net parameters. This is the incoming net IP, okay? Okay. This is the incoming SIP IP. I got this, okay? And then it's an information, and then and the spec of which is HD2D credit amount one, and okay, and spec of call will last for a maximum of 7199 seconds, and then route in full. Okay, spotted IP route. Listen. Route info, okay. Route info, okay, I get this, okay. Route info does inspect. Okay, I have this. Route info, okay. And then route dot list, route dot info dot split, split route, okay, like this, okay. And then split route IP. Okay, and then here NAP name, which is CommiSoft. NAP IP to NAP. Okay, it's done also. Okay, set up a range of papers. Undefined algorithm outgoing NAP. Okay, and then okay, so that is not recognize. the outgoing map. Okay, so wait a second, I'm debugging the script, sorry. So it will take some time. Okay, wait a second. Outgoing map. Outgoing map. Outgoing map. Okay. Lessons. Will be exception. Undefined local variable network or outgoing map. Okay. So this one, I think outgoing map, and just and this one. Not there. We Control C. Okay, open map. Again, let me just open map. Wait, okay. Open it. Open map. Define the variables. Going up to refine the variable. Okay. So this one is just save, and we start from here. Okay. Okay. And so your authorization attribute. Okay. So is it possible to send another call right now?
Yes, just a second.
Okay.
Oh, it's rings now. Hello, hello, hello. Call is going on. Even if I don't have the RRR. I don't
Yeah,
hear my.
it's okay. Well, I just changed something and then see if you can make another call, and then I can verify with the transcript, the logs.
No.
Okay. You able to make the call right now? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, 1 second.
Okay.
Bringing.
Okay.
Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, RTP, no RTP.
This is the incoming SIP IP.
Yeah,
This is the incoming SIP IP. Okay, it's here. Okay. And then gateway get route did not return any route. Took back authorization required. Okay. And inspect of this one. Yeah.
What do you call
Control
it?
info. Yeah, I received the control info. Actually, the Cisco. This Cisco control info. I got that. Yes, I'm just checking. Is control info. Call will last for a maximum of 7199 seconds. So just cross check with this. Plus, okay, plus, okay, it's, okay, speed route, okay, speed route, hmm. Mm. Speed route, okay, speed route, these two, okay, the name, ComiSoft, okay, net name soft and then IP, route, we mapped the call, we mapped the call, the route, okay, and here, we mapped the co-host, and we mapped the gossip host, and that name this one, and this IP to NAP, okay, and then this one, route, remember call this one, remember call this one, remember calling, final routes, okay, we got the final routes, name listen, okay, final routes, okay, so the code trace here, okay. Okay, request circuits not available. Okay. And then, and then not using dynamic DNS. Okay, that's the final route. Okay, we map the NAP to ComiSoft and gonna find the code parameters using. Okay, I think we got a different situation right now. As according to the logs. Okay,
You want me to
so I
call
think we.
again?
No, it's you can just look here. I'm just showing you something. Okay, you see the screen I'm showing you right now.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, yes. So as you see, is the original one here. It says not found, right? So this one is the last status that we reply with to the VitalSoft saying that it's not found, no route, right? So this is wrong. So I think the latest information here, it would be different. So here you see that there is an invite from a Comisoft, sorry, invite from Vital PBX, right? And actually we wait for the authorization required. So we ask the Comisoft where this call can pass. And
Hmm?
actually it replies, right? It replies. And then here it says that we have one matching route, outgoing call route. Actually, it can find the call route to a destination net to Comisoft. Yes, you
Yeah.
can see here. So it's different already. See, it's a route which is um available, right? Okay, so wait. What is that command? Okay, so this is uh okay. Let's just Control F. Okay, just here and just it just show a route. Okay, so you see the route. This one. It says
Yeah.
did not return any route because it had to ask the commissop, right? There's operation required, but then it's actually asked because we receive the access accept from commissop and then we continue the routing. This one,
Mm.
there's a one found one matching route, which is this one, which is you see here the destination net will be commissop, we actually send a request to Comisoft here where there's an invite here. You can see we send an invite to Comisoft. Yeah. And then it with the information here, which is the coded and calling number. Okay, wait, come this one. Uh, this one. How come you don't see my screen anymore? Sorry about this. Oh no, what is that? Come, wait 1 second. What is it? Yeah, wait just 1 second. Yeah. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, so I just go back to the code trace. Um, and then this is the Teams. And just show you the screen again. Okay. I believe which one is it? Okay, this is the web portal. This one. Okay. You see my screen? Yeah, this is the code trace, right? So if you go back to the code trace, to the latest call, which is this one, which is a little bit different, the 20 requested circuit not available, this one. So as you can see, actually we already find the route. So even though it's not authorizing here on this aspect, but we can, a system actually can find a route here. And then it says that we can send a call to the outgoing NAP. So you see the outgoing NAP actually is the destination is the Comisoft. Yes, and we are passing the calling and the coded number to the remote site. So you see, as you can see here, we are sending an invite. This one, we are sending an invite to Comisoft. And then we got a reply of 100 trying. Yeah. And then we got a reply of 183 session progress. So this is normal because the Comisoft is trying to say that, okay, our side is not handling the limit they're waning. It's your responsibility, which is okay. So you send a 183 progress, right? So at the same time, this is what everything in the middle is actually the ProSBC is doing. And then the ProSBC is sending the 183 progress also to the Vita PBX because he's the one to request for a call. So we are updating for the information that from the Comisoft we are in the middle. So everything here is in the middle is what the ProSBC is doing. Then we are sending a 183 progress to the to the Vita PBX saying that this call is currently in progress. So we finished those handshake and then the call is finally answered here with the 200 OK. As you can see, meaning that the Comisoft side actually can find someone to answer the call and they will send the 200 OK to us. And then here you see, okay, we also forward the 200 OK to Vita PBX because the call has been answered. Yeah. And from this point onwards, there's a bi-directional communication of media, meaning that they can hear both sides, each other's correctly, from A to B. And then after the call is answered from here is everything that endpoints allocated and stuff. Yeah. And then they are supposed to be they should be able to communicate with each other. But I can see here some data path errors and stuff. I think there's something that we have to troubleshoot further. Would it be because of the RTP address which is not good? Then the data path is not passing the packets as a desired. So this is something that we have to do here, this is the thing we have to troubleshoot. Yeah. And then the call is being ended by the caller side sending with us this circuits not available. Yeah, this is something we have to
The
troubleshoot.
call, the
Mm.
call, the call, the call. I think is ended by mobile operator because there is no media.
Yeah, yeah. I
Yeah,
think yes. So the thing we because you see there's data path errors means that the code RTP cannot be established and they cannot hear each other, right? So I think it's something we have to troubleshoot. So once this is done, and then the call that they can hear each other, then there is a successful call, and then we can troubleshoot the other issues, right? So this is the main issues that we have to figure out right now.
Yes.
Why would there
Mhm.
be the data path errors? Yeah. I
Yeah.
think it may be related to the NAT settings because um we are in the internal network, and we have to advertise to the remote site saying that you have to send the RTP to our
Mhm.
public IP address instead of the private one. So this is something we can check here. As you can see the invite, right? So we are advertising, this is the IP, you see here, this one, which is a public IP, which is good because public IP can be reachable by anybody, so which is good. And then uh, we are sending an invite to the remote site, but this time you see this one is a private IP. I believe
Yeah.
this is the problem because we have to advertise a public IP for Comiso instead. Then they can send the RTP to the public IP. Yeah. And then I think this is something we have to fix. And then, uh, yeah, okay, this is fine. And then this is the one that we have to fix. And then once the code is answered, you see here, actually here is good. See, it's advertising the public IP when the call is being answered on the 200. Okay, this is actually the public IP, which is good. And we are sending this one. This is private again. See, which is not good. And yes,
Yeah.
I think it's the
That's
yeah,
private.
it's an issue with NAT. I think we have to
So
fix this one.
issue of RTP is due to ProSBC is sending the private IP to the vendor. So the vendor is returning the media to the local IP.
Right, right. And that it may be not working because I expected the Comisoft and also the vendor and also the Vital PBX will be relying on the public IP for access, right? Yeah,
Hmm. Yeah.
yeah. So I think we have to fix from here, uh, okay, which is the NAT settings. Okay, create NAT traversal. I think that would be something we have to fix. Which is create an inform because AWS NAT. So what is that? A public IP of FQDN force the local public IP address or application is SIP or RTP packets. Okay, so this is local to the SBC where the which IP we gonna advertise, right? So I think you don't want to advertise the management IP, so it would be the VoIP IP that we are going to advertise here.
Mhm.
So let's check which one will be um the public IP for traffic. I'm checking. Yeah, I think you sent it to me before. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have
The
that in on? Yeah.
the public IP of the vendor
Mm-hmm. Oh,
of
of ourselves.
Communisoft.
I mean of ourselves or
Ah,
on the AWS the VoIP 0 interface. So is it the
okay.
public?
So
Yes, yes.
the private one, right?
No, the public one.
The public one. Okay,
Yes.
let me share again. I think I have
Yes, you
there.
can just copy to me and I can just paste it here and then we got to get it working. Yeah.
Okay, just 1 second. I'm
Right.
looking for it. Looking for it.
I'm sure you sent it to me before. Yes.
I sent it, but let me check.
Yes.
Even in the mails, because I don't want to make error again, mistake again.
No, no, it's okay. It's okay. We're finally there, I'm sure. So it's
Yeah, yeah,
just
yeah.
yeah, I think we have a lot of progress. It's just some final touch up on the configurations. I think we are fine. Yes. You know the real IP address for the public interface.
Yeah, I'm looking
Yes.
for it basically.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
I'm sure you sent it to me before. I can fetch as well, just to make sure. Yes. This is the one.
editing a file here, but I don't know exactly.
I'm
Or
sure.
I'll be obliged to connect. Okay, I have them here. So
未啊，
you want
你走啦都 OK 啊，阿西文翻嚟啦，未咩？OK，哦，得噶啦，得噶，好。
okay, so you want the IP, okay, the IP, let me send you it on the chat.
Yes, 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 sure. You can send it to me.
That's it. ProSBC interface one. Even I have checked on the ColmiSoft end because it's also our switch. I
Oh,
have checked it.
are you sure this is the public IP for
Yeah,
the
that's it.
the real IP zero interface?
I think yes, because yeah. That's it.
Really?
Let me yeah. Let me show you again the
Right.
let's
Okay,
see.
I'm doing to fetch again the email you sent it before. I'm a bit not sure about this.
This is
Okay,
the email I sent you before.
okay, I'm just I'm finding it now. Okay. Mm. Okay. This one, this one, this one. Mm. So you sure this is the real IP address that the Vita PBX, for example, will be sending calls to?
Yeah, I think and I'm sure because I have checked the logs at Colmisoft on Colmisoft switch. I saw that
Okay.
the originated public IP of the call is 18 .192.146.228.
Okay, okay. Then let me just configure this. You still see my screen, right? So
Yeah.
I'm just going to configure this. So it's called AWS NAT. So
Yeah.
means that we will advertise this IP and ask the remote site to send the media to this IP, but not the private IP. Okay, so this is I'll just type it 192.146.228, right? 118.192.146.228. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
So we're just to create this. Then in the NAP, I'm going to specify, let's say, for example, vital PPX. I will say that here, yeah, and I will say that the NAT parameters, remote method for our TP, it would be, I would say, local method for SIP, it would be um, force use of public IP, force use of public IP, okay, NAT for SIP. AWS NAT, AWS NAT for the one that we just created. Okay, so we will advertise always our public IP for interconnect. Okay, so for the remote method of LTP, use the IP import from the different system. I think we can do none for now. Let's do the advertisement. I would just save this. And also the same for ComiSoft. Okay, this is the NAT. I'll just say we're doing AWS NAT. Okay, like this. Okay, and let's do the this one. 我未食飯同你一齊食。我未食飯同你一齊食。係啊，錄個客做緊嘢嘛。OK。係啊，OK。So I think do you want to make another call so I can check the make sure the call maybe can pass correctly?
Yeah, just
Yes, you
one
can make another. Yes,
yeah.
because I already advertised in the NAP saying that the two NAPs we are using the public IP here, this one for communication, so not private. So let's
Okay.
see. Yeah. Okay.
It's ringing.
Right. Okay. Call trace. You send two calls.
Hello.
Yeah. Oh, okay. These are
Hello.
outgoing also.
Hello, how are you?
Outgoing.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah, we
Hello.
gotta invite also to the CreamySoft right now, as you can see. Okay.
Hello.
Uh,
Hello. Hello.
mm,
Hello.
oh,
No media. After more than 20 seconds, it's call drops due to no media.
yeah. Or can you repeat, please?
Yeah, I have done the call, but it stopped because no media. After
Mm.
25 seconds.
Okay. So you can hear it for the first 25 seconds.
I can hear nothing for the 24 seconds.
Nothing.
I,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay,
no
so
media.
let's check these. Okay, so actually you can see here, for the invite, we advertise a public IP address and we send to ComiSoft also here, invite, saying that we are using this IP address, which is also public. I think our setting is just working. And we are also advertising, okay, we are using this. And then we join the call with a fluid duplex, which is correct, so that we connect to both sides. The call is answered. See here, the call is answered. Also answered on the other side, and it's all public IP, right? This one. Okay, these are all perfect. I think this core, I don't see any issues. So we will have to debug because I don't see any data path errors, which is maybe blocking the LTP. But I think from this code trace report, it looks fine, but maybe not in the actual scenario that you're talking about. Because you see, we are able to send a call incoming to the system. We also checked on the JeraSoft if this code is allowed, reading the information or instruction coming back from the JeraSoft, right? And then we determine whether the route is what kind of route is available. See, outgoing call, we know that there's one route which is available, which is to CreamySoft. Yeah, and then we
Okay.
send a call there. So it looks to me it looks good. But yeah, of course, you in your side you see issues, right? So I think it's something we have to we have to check. Okay. Let's
Maybe
just.
maybe issue also can be due to codecs. Do we know what is the preferred codec?
The codec. Okay, we can check the codec. Yes, here. I will just take this call. Oh, is it the call? Oh, maybe not be the call that we wanted. Uh, Circus not available. I don't think. Yeah, I think that's not. It's not look
Okay,
like the one. Yeah, I think it's not a good one. This one. How come it's not there? Uh, mm, I don't see it. Today is the 13, right? Yes. Okay. I don't see the good call. How come? Um.
媽媽，你呢條咗好耐啦，而家19點52分啦。
I know. Okay.
媽媽，
Circus not
如果咧，
available.
如果咧仲，已經
Okay. So
好耐咧，
do you mind to make a new
係咪
call? We can troubleshoot from there. And then I don't know what this one is not connecting, but actually we are connecting with 20 plus seconds. Yes. Do you mind to make a new call? Maybe.
okay. I'm going to check also from Colmisoft end to see if issue comes RTP issue comes from there.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
I'll try to
As
make
you,
more tests.
yeah. Yeah, the good sign here, you see here, we have a good sign, meaning that we have incoming, we and also have outgoing, right? It's not
Mm,
only pure incoming because we are also making a call outgoing, right? Which is the
but
progress here. Yes. Yeah.
why does it write request circuit not available?
Yeah. This one, actually, yes, you see here, I don't see any indication of circuits not available. Only the data path errors. This one. So that's why I say maybe you can make a new call. I will just check the newest one. This one I'm not sure. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
just
you
one
can make
second.
a new call. We check from there. Yes.
Then let me do it.
Yeah, sure. Take your time.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Yes. Okay, I see your call. This one, right?
Hello,
Is incoming, and
hello,
we are advertising public IP. So to the
hello.
Comisoft, we are advertising. I think we are advertising also
Hello.
this one. Yeah. Public IP. Yeah. Okay. I
Yeah.
think which is good. And we join the call through duplex. See here, it's directional, which is connected. And you talk about the mention of the codec, as you see here, 08101. This is the codec to re-support. And on the other side, we also support 0818101. I think that is a consensus. I think here we decided to use 8.18.101 as the final negotiated protocol. This one, this one, okay. Let me just check again on the latest trace. It's ended, right? Also, request are not available. Oh, not sure how we this one. This one, okay. 100 trying 100. 18 progress. Okay, we put this, we join the call through duplex. Okay, we forward the answered call, which is 200. Okay, we means the call is answered. Okay, we answer the call. Okay. But still we got the data path errors. Means there's no no
Active media.
media, right? Yes. Terminated with course request to servers not available. This is the byte that we are sending because it's from the provider from the origination side, which is from the Vital PBX, saying that We requested the circuit is not available. Okay, no, that's the data path errors. Okay, but in practice, you make this call and there's no sound, right?
Yeah, no sound,
Nothing.
no sound.
Okay, nothing. Okay, but I think we have everything ready regarding the LTP data prepares. Okay. Mm. Okay, so the thing I can mention is here we can say that we advertise the public IP address for the remote site to send the calls, and we or the other remote site also tell us you have to send the call to the public IP, and we do exchange the information here. I think it looks fine. But then at the end of the day, after the core is connected with 200 OK, there's a problem with the data. This is not connecting. So the LTP is not connecting is something that is the problem. Yeah. And we end the call with no circuits available. Oh, okay. There's something we have to figure out. But I think at least from the routing perspective here, we are able to send a call to Comisoft, as you can see here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, because the routing is working. Yeah, because at least we send it. But on the Comisoft side, you receive a call. I I think it receives calls, right?
Yes, yes. Even on my phone, I received it because call is coming from Vital PBX. It go through SBC, and
Mm-hmm.
then it goes to Call Me Soft, and Call Me Soft terminate it to mobile operator. My phone,
Okay, okay,
yeah, my
okay,
phone has wrong.
okay. I'm thinking, would it be the problem with the AWS as security group again? Because
Oh,
the LTP ports has to be open. I will show you something here.
ah,
You know what I
okay,
mean? Yes. Because
yeah.
here I will just show you something. If you go to the IP interface here, this is
Uh,
the LTP port ranges that we are going to use. This is from
yeah.
2000 to 4000. It's
So I need to
40,000.
open. I need to open
Yes,
this. Okay.
is the UDP ports, You may have to
Uh,
open that. That would be something that is blocking the call from going through.
okay. But if that is the issue, I'm going to open. Will they be of UDP or TCP?
UDP for sure. UDP is RTP ports is UDP. So that would be something that it has to be open. Maybe you open everything from SPC IP to
Yeah.
the VO IP0 IP to the Comisoft and also to Vital PBX users allow all. Then just for
Oh,
testing purposes, right? Then I think
yeah.
that yeah, just for testing purposes, right? So it doesn't matter. You can restrict that afterwards when everything is working. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Think that it would be that would maybe the way to go, I think. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll try to. I'll try to make the change at AWS. Even I'm doing it inbound rules, add
Right.
rule, custom UDP,
Mm-hmm.
add range. Am I able to add a range? Port range, yes, port range.
Yeah, but you know what, I'm thinking if it is possible to just allow everything from the ProSBC and management and the VoIP0 interface. You just don't care, just about testing purposes. I think I would be okay. Yeah,
Mm,
it would be easier, then you can just test, right? So if you want to restrict something, you can always do that afterwards.
Hello.
Yeah. You can
Now
check that
RTP
one.
works.
Yes, you just have to, we make sure that our TP can go through, then the call we have sound, because right now the media is not passing, yeah.
Yeah, it passes now.
Are you passing now? You sure?
Yeah, yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Okay, that's cool. That's
I can
very
hear
cool.
it.
Very cool. Okay, very cool. Okay, it's
Yeah.
always the firewall the problem, right? Yeah. Okay. Hey, but
Yeah,
gentle, sorry.
yeah.
That's just one thing. I sorry, I have to leave right now. It's 8 p.m. for me, and I have to
Oh,
drop. But the problem is, if you want to continue to troubleshoot, you can always contact the team in Montreal. Sardar will be helping. I just have to
yeah.
drop right now. Yes, but you can just send an email to support, and it will help you. I'm sure.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thanks a
yeah,
lot,
yeah,
Candy.
it's just been late for me, I have to be back to my family right now. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
and
Um,
then many kisses to your kids.
yes, 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 yes. But no worries, we can always connect or tomorrow or whatever to just to support you on the remaining attacks that needs to be done, Yeah, it's
Okay.
okay.
Yeah,
Yes, and
yeah.
you can always send an email to Sudar, and Sudar will be helping you, I'm sure. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Worked for 2 hours. You need
No
to.
worries, no worries. I mean, this is my job, okay? No worries. And
Yeah.
yes, okay. So you feel free to
Okay.
test more, yeah? Test more, and then you see if there's any issue, you can just send it to us, yeah?
No problem. No problem.
No problem.
Thanks a lot for your support, Candy.
No worries, no worries. Yeah, I just want to make sure everything works for you on your system, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
yes.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll talk soon. If
Okay.
you need a meeting again with me, just send me an email, okay?
Yeah. Okay. Take care.
Okay,
Take care,
sure.
Candy.
Thank you so much, the gentle.
You're
Okay, bye
welcome.
bye. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Okay.